I'm Brandon. Today I'm going to show you what I just learned. You can remote start your car using your phone using the Ford Pass app. That's pretty cool. So why would you need this feature? Well, if you live in a very cold environment, warm environment, or you just want to be ready as soon as you get into your car to get out, then this is perfect for you. So I want to show you how you can double check if you have this feature on your car and how you can get it programmed so you can start your car with your phone. So in order to connect your phone to your car, you'll need the Ford Pass app on your phone and you'll need the Ford Pass Connect app downloaded on your car. I already have my vehicle added, but adding a vehicle is going to be the same exact process if you don't have one added already. Here's the name of my vehicle. You can type in the VIN number you see here, or you can scan it with a QR code. It's not picking it up because it's the same vehicle it already has. This is the same way you'll be able to add your new vehicle onto the app. So here's our home screen. Here you can see I already have a vehicle added, the car in front of us right now, the name, I have it. You can unlock, and here you see all the doors have unlocked. And there you go, all the doors have locked. You can remote start the vehicle. Check this out. My favorite feature on Ford Pass is the scheduled start. So you go to your vehicle, scheduled start. So right now it's 3:11. So in order for your car to start, it needs to be 5 minutes away or more. So here I picked 3:20, and I'm gonna save that. You can also have your scheduled starts repeat daily, monthly, or weekly. Here's the phone, here's the key. That's pretty cool. So there's our scheduled start and remote start using your phone. In order to double check if you have that on your car, you can go to a local Ford dealership near you. And to find Ford dealerships, you can use the app as well. The overall versatility and usefulness that they put into this app actually makes it a big help. It saves you time, money, and it can be a big safety feature as well. So thank you so much for watching. I'm Brandon. Stay tuned for more in-depth videos of our Ford Pass app. Have a good day.